This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant Irish potatoes at home. First, select healthy, disease-free seed potatoes from a reputable source. Cut larger potatoes into pieces, ensuring each piece has at least 1 or 2 eyes or sprouts. Then, allow these cut pieces to cure for 2 to 3 days in a warm, humid environment. This crucial step helps form a protective layer, preventing rot and promoting successful growth once planted in your garden. Next, choosing the right location is key for a bountiful harvest. Your planting site should receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. The soil itself needs to be well-draining, loose, and rich in organic matter. Aim for a soil pH between 5.0 and 6.0. This slightly acidic environment is optimal for potato development and nutrient absorption, ensuring strong, healthy plants. When it's time to plant, place your prepared seed potato pieces 4 to 6 inches deep in the soil, spacing them about 12 inches apart within each row. Ensure your rows are 2 to 3 feet apart to allow ample room for growth and future hilling. After planting, water thoroughly, keeping the soil consistently moist but never waterlogged, which can lead to disease. As your potato plants grow, you'll need to hill them. This involves mounding soil around the stems, covering all but the top few leaves. Continue hilling every 2 to 3 weeks until the plants begin to flower. Finally, harvest your potatoes when the foliage turns yellow and dies back, typically 70 to 100 days after planting, for a delicious homegrown yield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.